Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I wish you all a very good morning. I hope you all are great by the grace of Allah. It's my pleasure to extend a cheerful welcome you all. Your presence through comments makes me very happy. As you all know, I am your maths teacher Nasreen Fatma, and today I am here with the new concept of geometry, that is triangle. Today in lecture number 28 we will continue chapter number 7, triangles, and we will not discuss only triangle today while it's all types with exercise 7c. Now first of all, what is a triangle? A triangle, tri means three sides, 1, 2 and 3. A triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices. Is vertex? When two lines meet at a point to make an angle is called vertex. Vertex is a singular and vertices are plural. How many vertices a triangle has? The 3 vertices, 1, 2 and 3. Whereas it has 3 angles, 1, 2 and 3. So what is the definition of a triangle? A triangle is a closed shape with 3 sides, 3 vertices and 3 angles. As we discussed before, the 3 sides of a triangle, 1, 2 and 3, the 3 vertex, 1, 2 and 3 and 3 angles. The sum of 3 angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. You know how many angles of a triangle are there? The 3 angles, and the sum of these 3 angles of any triangle is always 180 degrees. According to the features of a triangle, like angles and sides, a triangle has different types. Now we are going to discuss the types of a triangle. Types of triangles. Triangles can be grouped into categories according to their sides and according to their angles. Now let's discuss grouping by side. The first type of a triangle by side is called equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle. The second type of a triangle according to their side is isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. The third type is called Scalian triangle, and this is a Scalian triangle. We are going to discuss the types of a triangle in detail. The first type of a triangle according to their sides is equilateral triangle. Now what is an equilateral triangle? A triangle that has 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. What is the definition of an equilateral triangle? A triangle that has 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. The 3 equal sides, 1, 2 and 3, these are 3 equal sides, and with the help of the equal sides, we can make an equilateral triangle. Its all sides are equal in length. My dear students, I hope you all are enjoying this topic. Now, the second type of a triangle according to their side is isosceles triangle. What is an isosceles triangle? A triangle that has two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. The two equal sides means these two sides are equal and one side is shorter or can be longer. With the help of the two equal sides and one unequal side, we can make an isosceles triangle which has two equal sides. Now move further to the next type of a triangle according to their side is scalene triangle. We discussed the two types before. The first type has three equal sides. The second type has two equal sides. So what should be the definition of the scalene triangle? Can you tell me? Now I will tell you what is the definition of a scalene triangle. A triangle with no equal side means all sides are different in length. That type of a triangle is called scalene triangle. One side and three sides. These three sides are different in length. And when we make a triangle with the help of three different sides, that type of triangle is called scalene triangle. Alright students, now we are going to discuss another category of a triangle, that is according to their angles. But before discussing the type of triangle according to their angles, we will take a quick review of angles. There are different types of angles, but we will discuss today the three types of angle. Number one, an angle measure less than 90 degree is called acute angle. An angle measure 90 degree is called a right angle. And the third type is an angle measures greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. According to these three types of angle which we discussed, the triangle has three types according to their angles. The grouping by angles, number one, acute angle triangle. This is an acute angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. This is an obtuse angle triangle. And the third one is right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Now we will discuss these three types of triangles in detail. Students, I hope you are enjoying the types of triangle. Now we are going to discuss the first type according to their angles, that is acute angled triangle. Now what is the definition of acute angle triangle? If all three angles of a triangle are acute, acute means less than 90 degree, is called an acute angle triangle. As you all know, a triangle has three angles, means if all three angles are acute or less than 90 degree is called an acute angle triangle. This is an acute angle triangle, 1, 2, 3 sides, and this is an acute angle triangle which has 3 acute angles. 1 acute angle, 2 acute angle, and 3 acute angles. The second type of a triangle according to their angle is obtuse angle triangle. Now what is the definition of obtuse angle triangle? If one angle of a triangle is obtuse angle, means greater than 90 degree, is called obtuse angle triangle. Triangle has 3 angles. If one angle of a triangle is obtuse angle and rest of the angles, the 2 angles will be acute angle, then that type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle, and this is an obtuse angle, and when we join them we will make it obtuse angle triangle. It has one obtuse angle. One angle is obtuse, but rest of the angles are acute, and this type of triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Now the third and the last type of triangle according to their angle is right angle triangle. What is a right angle? A right angle measured 90 degree is called a right angle. And what is a right angle triangle? A triangle, if one angle of a triangle is right angle, means angle of 90 degree, is called right angle triangle. This is a right angle, and with the help of one right angle we can make a right angle triangle, and it has one right angle, means one angle is of 90 degree, and this type of triangle is called right angled triangle. An important feature about a right angle triangle is the side opposite to right angle is always the longest side of a triangle, and it is called hypotenuse. This is a right angle triangle, and the side opposite to the right angle, you can see this is the opposite side of the right angle, is called hypotenuse. Dear students, now remember these points. Number 1, sum of all angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Either the triangle is of any type, either it is acute, obtuse or right angle. The sum of all the angles always 180 degree. In right angle triangle, the opposite side to the right angle is called hypotenuse, as we discussed before. The hypotenuse is the longest side of the right angle triangle, and this side of the triangle is the longest side, and the longest side of a triangle is always opposite to the right angle, and it is called hypotenuse. Alright students, I hope you understand the triangle and the type of triangle according to their side and according to their angle. Now let's take a review of number 1. If sum of 2 angles of a triangle is 130 degree, the measurement of the third angle will be, what will be the measurement of third angle? How can we find? Yes, 180 minus 130 degree is equal to 50 degree. The measurement of the third angle of a triangle is 50 degree. The second, a triangle has three equal sides. Now recall the definitions. Which type of triangle has three equal sides? Yes, it is equilateral triangle. This is the type of a triangle according to the sides, and it has three equal sides. And three equal sides of a triangle, that type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. The longest side of a triangle is called hypotenuse. The longest side of a triangle, and it is also the opposite side of a triangle, opposite to the right angle. That is called hypotenuse. The last point is all three sides of a scalene triangle are same? No. Different, because scalene triangle is the type of triangle which has all different sides. No side is equal in scalene triangle. Watch an interesting video regarding triangles and its different types. This video helps you to understand the triangles better.
Today we're going to learn about the triangle. Do you know how many types of triangles there are? A triangle is a geometric shape with three sides, 1, 2, and 3. The point where two sides meet is called the vertex, and all triangles have three vertices. There is an interior angle for each vertex. Did you know that if we added all angles together, the result would always be 180 degrees? We classify triangles depending on their sides, or angles. If we classified triangles depending on their sides, we would get three types: equilateral, isosceles, and scalene triangles. A triangle with three equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. A triangle with two equal sides is called an isosceles triangle. And a triangle whose sides are all different is called a scalene triangle. If we classified triangles depending on their angles, we would get three types: the acute triangle, the right triangle, and the obtuse triangle. A triangle with three acute angles is called an acute triangle. A triangle with one right angle is called a right triangle. And a triangle with one obtuse angle is called an obtuse triangle. Let's recap. Classifying triangles depending on their sides, we have the equilateral triangle, in which all sides are equal, the isosceles triangle, in which two sides are equal, and the scalene triangle, in which all sides are different. Classifying triangles depending on their angles, we have the acute triangle with three acute angles, the right triangle with one right angle, and the obtuse triangle with one obtuse angle. Now you know all the types of triangles. Way to go!
Alright, my dear students. I hope you understood the today's concept well. Now this is the end of the today's lecture. See you inshallah in the next lecture. Till then, take a very good care of yourself. And remember, practice makes perfect. So practice more and more as you can. And I suggest you to stay home so that you will be healthy and happy. God bless you. Allah Hafiz.